Alright, what do you do? You've pretty much done all the upgrades that you want on the GS. Why not upgrade the turn signals that you already upgraded? So replace the dynamic motorrad bulbs with the motogadget M-Blaze and M-Blaze pin. So you can see size-wise how much smaller these are. So that's about how far out the stock ones would have stuck out and how big they are. And you can see how much smaller these are. These ice blaze ones, so much smaller, and also still very bright. I think the sunlight is blocking. I think the motorrad, the dynamic motorrad ones are probably still brighter, because they're just bigger. And this is from the rear. You can see, and nice things with the ice ones in the front. You can see them all the way around. So even from back here, you can see the ones in the front, and actually the ones also in the I can't quite see the ones in the back as well, but you can see them from the side also, as you can see. So and then I'm going to shoot a video from the nighttime also, and then just to show you the difference in the size in the back. So this is this difference in the size. So let's do this side. How much further, how much smaller. These M-Blaze ones are really, M-Blaze pin are really small. But that's how much bigger, how much smaller the size difference is. So yeah. Cool. Alright, I'll shoot a video later at night. Alright, here's a nighttime shot of the turn signals. So these again are the motogadet M-Blaze turn signals. As you can see, they're still pretty bright even with the always on amber running lights on the GS. And you can see the rear ones from the front. The front ones are clearly pretty bright. Yeah. So, why did I do this? Because I wanted lower profile turn signals that were not sticking out so much. So you can see that, and I'll just turn one of them on, especially for the rear, so you can see the difference. So that's just with one on. So it's easier to see the back from the front at night, but as you can see from the side, the back is still bright. And then, so you can also clearly see that from the rear. You can see which side is clearly lit to the right. Cool. There you go. That's all she wrote. Motogadget M-Blaze pin in the rear. Motogadget M-Blaze ice in the front. I like them. I like the low profile. I like the look. That's all she wrote.